lang tayo. Tulad. Jane ako.
Okay. Alerts. Grabe dyan sing boses, ha. For some reason, sa imong kanta nag-smooth latado do imong voice narinig ko tatmayad for some reason.
Bukod malabo.
Nope.
Read, understand, all checkers. We have 5 guys.
Ay, galing ka lira sa Singapore? Okay. Ano sa
Kalbo ka.
Magtasim gyapon.
Ka.
Nag-iba yaw ta do guide menu at do object menu sa piyak. At may note menu tayo which is walang note. Ano do? Inventory. May sprint at may splash. At may recite water yung pang banished. It go mga aswang. Okay, basahan ko nila. Name, put 3 note 1. Description. You found this note at your house and it says, "Husband, I'm going out of the house to do some work at night. This note is for you in case you woke up at night. I will be wary outside, don't worry." Yan yung first note. Pick up just do oil dito. I-pick up mo. So may 15 lives gali kita. 15 lives. Wa?
Wala na.
Hello, ako lang. Uh-oh. May something ba dito? I cannot just... I cannot see just. Wait lang. I cannot see anything. It's so dark. Oh, you pick up a clay bottle. Alawa ako.
Yes.
Jess, i-check mo just the inventory mo. At i-equip mo lahat.
Yes, here man. Equip.
Ala, isa lang atong equip. Ano to? May kita, lantern. Jess? Ay, interact. You, I see. Holy moly. The gin vanished. So, may sprint kita, which is work na. The splash ay yung ginasplash na, your bottle needs to be filled with water to splash water. The recite mata is recite while holding your bottle. How do we do that? Ano na tong objective? You woke up in the middle of the night and you notice your wife is disappeared. Search around your plot of land and ask your neighbors if they know anything of it. So, we are looking around. Look around just for our neighbor. Sa atong plot. Pwede ba dito mag-refill? Inventory? Dali ang inventory. Pwede na itong i-refill? Oh, yes, refill. Imong bottle just at i-refill. Ito yung para i-recite yung mga monster. Yung parang ginabanish natin sanda. Father of Jamal's plot of land. No, pero to sabit objective eh. Aton tang plot. Full na ba? Refill? Refill, oh.
Anong guide ni full? Okay.
Need mong lapitan. Di ka rang side lang para maano mo't mayad.
Ay. Ay, okay na ate.
Oil left. Oh my god, Jess, duray nga lang pa bumat infinite.
Ay, kunig ko.
May timer do ano do. Try nga lamp. So we're looking for something. Our neighborhood. Our neighborhood has mas plot. Dito tayo, Jess. Hello? Oh wait. There's a note. Wait lang, Jess. Note. Name Hamza Note 1. Description. Your uncle left this in his storage and it says ask uncle for permission before using uncle's item. Uncle Hamza. Gabi man ito pangalan ah. Hello? Uncle Hamza is praying. Talk to brother Diesel first.
Refill ko ng oil.
May oil? What?
Yeah, refill.
Ani?
Meron.
Paubos yun dyan sa tungaan lang. Hurry. Need?
Naka-refill ka na?
Yes, need that refill. I don't know kung usiin. Walang refill.
Ikaw.
Broken bridge.
May refill eh.
10.
Ito.
I think for water to just oil ta aton.
Hindi, ano.
Where? What? Oh, I did not see it. Good eye. Wa man. Aron. Full na. Very good. Wow, good eye kating just Ginahanap ko na nato si Diesel first bago kita mag-agto di karon sa bahay. Medyo nag-upgrade to. Yeah. Medyo nag-upgrade to nga niyo. Wala na tayong phone. Oh, dito. What's this? Closed? What? No closed? Hello? There's a people. There's people here. Hello? Hello, sir? Ay, mo, si Diesel.
Assalamualaikum abang, aku nak tanya sesuatu penting. Waalaikumsalam. Baru tadi saya sembahyang. Ada apa? Aku kat sini.
I'm here to ask whether you have seen pottery.
Saya tak nampak dia, tapi saya terdengar bunyi tapak kaki
Sa bridge,
di sebelah
okay.
hutan. Tapi mengapa putri seberang
To haunted forest.
Manalah saya tahu. Tanyalah pakcik.
Okay, balik na tayo, Jess. May ano ba? Ay, you refill? Ala, pwede na itong buksan the drawers one. No, there's nothing. Refill, Jess. Refill
Refill
naman.
na ako.
Okay. Balik na naman tayo sa house na to. Balik-balik lang. There's no monster for some reason. Kung may monster, just i-equip mo rin yung mga bottle nga to at i-recite or i-splash.
Okay.
Hello? Ah! Wala.
Assalamualaikum pakcik. Waalaikumsalam.
Peace be upon to you.
Tidak bisa
Could not sleep. I've been having a bad feeling.
Apa terjadi? Pakcik
I had a nightmare and I woke up and did some prayers.
bangun. Lepas tu pakcik pun pergi sembahyang. Adakah ini tentang
This is
putri?
about pottery because she went out and left a note, but I don't know where she is.
Mimpi buruk pakcik sekarang masuk akal. Jamal harus cari putri di hutan dengan segera. Pakcik
I have
rasa
a bad feeling she is possessed. Uh-oh. I will do my recitation while you search for her.
sampailah Jamal
Be careful,
cari
Jess.
dia di hutan. Jamal nak minta pakcik ikut
I wanted
Jamal,
to
tapi
ask you
Jamal
to follow me,
lupa
but I
pakcik
forgot
masih
you
belum
are
sembuh.
still recovering from your injuries.
Jamal akan pergi cari dia sekarang. Berhati-hati
Careful and keep
dan
your faith
kuatkan
strong.
iman kamu.
She could be in that creepy forest. I think ito yung andang ginamin just oh. Harado bridge eh. But the bridge is broken. We need to go back. Malapit sa tong bahay. May ano ito. May another place. No spooky do. Oh. I think dito. I don't think I should go this way. Jess, where are you, Jess? Oh. Full pa atong water. We're good. Is this the same place? Dusel's house. Diretso lang. Ah, this is the one. This is the bridge. And this is where the monster, I think. What's this? Hello? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nandito yung mga monsters. Dito just, safe place. Checkpoint. Checkpoint, agtiya. Dito, di ka rin kaagi. Dito. Checkpoint. Kung mamatay kita, yarin kita ga-spawn. So, what's our objective? Be careful and search for your wife in the haunted forest. Ginahanap na itong wife. Be careful, Jess. I-ready mo running bottle, which is a bad thing dahil isa sa midogra. Ah, James! Naging sense si James. Wait. No, no. Hello? This is for the water. Oh, so di ka rin pwede may kita mag-refill water? I have a bad feeling about this. I have a feeling na medyo delikado ng mga monsters iya. Be careful, just oh, look, there's something. I-light natin the candles. You need to have your matches on your inventory. Wala tayong matches. Be careful, just. I am currently following you. Oh my lord, it's the sorcerer. I think. Ah! Jess, save me! Use the water, please! Save me, Jess! Jess! Wait, I'll use my inventory. Splash water, splashed! No, just I'm coming to Sebio. Recite. Super slow ta ako, just keep running, just keep running. Ah! Vanished. What the just? Your bottle needs to be refilled with water to splash water. Nanat ah. Bunot medyas mag-ano. Hindi ako marunong. Nandito ako, Jess. I'm here. Balik tayo doon. Run, Jess. Vanished. Wala. Okay. Run. Banish. I banish you. Okay, Jess. So, need mong masyado malapit para i-banish imaw. Wala na akong
Ubus ako ni water. Refill ako.
Okay. So, paalin sa Jess i-banish, medyo maglapit ka dapat sa mga monster at may makita kang ano, parang banish nga ron, yun dun.
Hindi masiguro nga ito yung cartoon mag-lamp talaga as tipid sa film.
Ano kayo the purpose ito ring tubi? Eh, base ha, banish commando monster kahit walang tubi. Balik tayo dun,
Dili
Jess.
ka mag-lamp yun na.
Ngay nga ni, no? Paubos yun yan ito akon.
I-refill tayo. Sino yung nag-refill?
Dito.
Saan?
Dito sa house. Adnit natin ng matches para elite do ano. Oh my god, Jess, Jess! Run, run, run! Banish, banish, banish. Banish. Okay, Jess, agto niya, Jess. Don't worry. Banish ko yung Banish ko yung Ay, Jess, you dead. Basta keep running lang. Yeah, hello. Wait lang. Okay, okay. Wala na siya. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go bago pa yung magbalik. I got scared. Ako na lang, Jess. Bahala mag-banish. Ikaw ay keep running na lang ikaw. Nasaan yung way? Dito yun eh. Hindi natin ng matches. Jess? Jess? You're gone again. Jess is disappeared from unknown. Scene coating. Oh my god, haraw mata do monsters ang likod. Jess! Oh my god, I have 12 lives na lang. Just keep running, dito lang. Banish ko ni Mau. Just keep running. You cannot come here. I banish you. Dito lang, Jess. Wait lang. We actually need to go na. Go. Balik to monster.
Puro na mag-book. Matong oil.
Okay, isa-isa lang.
Ako marunong mag-uni. Magtabo yung aswang.
Kung mabos ako, imo lang rin gamiton. Tigsa sa bilog kita. Ako lang bahala mag-banished. Hello? You lived? I have to inform him what's happening. Balik naman kita, Jess. Balik. Parang balik lang kita. Be careful, Jess. Nakikita mata ni mo, Jess, do ilaw?
Yes.
Okay, Be careful, Jess. Just keep running, Ryan. Sprint, Jess, sprint. Sunod lang, sunod. Basta wag lang lumapit. Dito. Come here. Okay, I banish her. I enabled banish. You cannot come here. Oh my lord. I banish you from this world. Okay.
Ubus pati akong water.
I'm about to die soon too. Again. Ayan lang, may pa-refill pa iya. Diretso lang ngayon, Jess. Ayat at oh, so may Pacific tagali.
Kasi magaling.
I wonder where's Jess is. Jess? Papunta na rin Jess to Monster Scene ka. Oh god, harap niyo mata the monster. Banished! God forbids. How did the witch look like? She had a long hair. Oh Lord, I wonder who. Ah, hello. I'm back.
Kamu lahir lagi.
Siapakah dia?
Dia Siti ahli penyihir. Dulu dia pembantu untuk keluarga yang kaya yang tinggal di villa di hutan itu. Kita tidak patut cakap sesuatu yang kita tidak tahu. Namun, ini harus berhenti. Ingatkah apa yang Pakcik telah ajari Jamal? Pakcik hanya bisa nasihati Jamal dan Jamal harus buat apa yang Pakcik
Okay.
suruh. Isikan botol dengan air, lepas itu baca ayat-ayat
Fill up
di
a
atas
bottle with
itu.
water and recite
Lepas itu
ayat-ayat
percikan air
Rogia.
kepada penyihir
Alright,
itu.
afterwards splash it.
Jamal terlalu takut untuk
I'm
itu.
just scared to do that.
Jamal harus buat itu.
The monsters are here.
Takut kepada Allah sahaja. Allah bersama kami. Sekarang pergi.
Stop the witch. I think... Be careful lang, just wait lang. Okay, balik tayo sa bahay nga to, Jess. Balik tayo doon at I-splash natin yung water, I think. I think yan yung goal. Get a bottle that you can use and fill it up. Recite to banish the banshee. Banish the jinn. Ipindot mo man just to sprint para magdagan ka.
Ako dapat ako.
Okay. Just be careful, just I think the monsters are here. Ano naman. Kung bukot yung atong bahay nga to, I feel like bukon. Diretso ba kita ya? Though we haven't gotten here. I don't feel like I should go this way. Uh-oh. Mali. Wrong way. God. Banshee. Go, go, Jess. Go to the tunnel. Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Just keep running. Do not look back. Just keep running. Go away, beast. Okay, I'm saved. Go over there, just at splash with water. Hello? You lived? What the? Just run! Kung buhay ka pa. Saan na ba tayo? What's next? It's the bottle. He banished mo ta?
Wait lang. Water ka pa?
Oh, full ang water. Di-
Wait.
Huh? It did not happen?
Malapit yung mamamatay. Galing may aswang. Naubos ang tubig.
Oh, ano mo? Ano lantern? Madumi. Lantern, Jess?
Ay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So,
I have the water. I will splash it to her. Okay.
yan.
Splashed. Splashed. Splash. Sprinkle. Jess.
Yes.
Ah.
Kailangan natin na.
Splash more. Splashed. Oh, you did. Okay, we are looking for something. The Cauldron of Doomed. Okay, balik. Pwede na tayo. Wait, what? Ano masunod? Find your...
Finding waterfall.
Oh, God. Wait lang. Wait lang. Inventory. Okay. Go away, beast.
Go find your wife now.
Yeah. We're leaving, Jess.
Wait,
At wala na akong water. I think may una nga refill. Kung gadiritsyon kita.
what?
Wala pa rin tayong matches. My God. Vanished! You have to do a split through. Oh God, go away! Yikes! Okay. Refill. Oh my God, wala pa rin tayong matches. Oh my God, just malapit siya dito.
Hindi na kung gaya, oh.
Okay. Be careful, just. I can hear someone. You ready mo the bottle? Ay, oh, gali, wala pala tayong bottle. Nah, God. There's a house. Oh my God. Wait lang. What's this? You need a villa key. I think may key somewhere. Be careful, just go. Hanapan the key. I will distract the monster.
May water.
Open it. Huh?
Wait naman.
Oh my God, we can refill the water.
Wait naman.
Ibanished. Ay, watat laman. Ano ba yan? Is there nothing? God, yan.
Buwan ko.
I think sa piyak. Check natin sa piyak. May something dito, oh. Open. Oh, there's a key. Go, Jess. Go. Just open the door. I will distract the monster.
Okay.
Just go. Run. Okay. Get inside. Why? God. Check the lockers.
Walang gamon.
We don't have matches.
Uy, naka.
Wait, really? Oh, secret. I just saw me something. Oh, there's a book. Oh, what's this? My ritual. Ritual note. A note written with blood. Grandmother, grandfather, I call upon you. This blood will be your clairvoyage. I await you in the cave. I have gotten what you wanted. Give me power, wealth, and immortality. Next, summon Pinangal. Description. A note torn and pasted on a book. Shower corpses with vinegar and mix it with a lady's blood and invite me. Anyone who has a third eye will see my shape. Open my world to yours. I will eat and eat anything I want and you will get what you want. Huh? Oh, there's a suspicion. Wow! Just. Whoa! You locked me. Why? Wait. No, 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 no. Bawal dun. Oh, there's another door. I'm scared to open. Hello? Someone here? Oh my god, another note na naman. Lord, help me. A note written by someone. Easy wealth comes with danger, like sickness that brings death. I regret what I did. I'm not who I am anymore. I don't remember what I did. Whoever reads this, please help me. Unknown note. Description, wale. Blank. Blank note. Oh god. Ay, wait. 7 out of 15 notes, galera. Just. Ano sa taas? Oh, man. Dito pa, Jess, dito. Look around. At may refill, oh. Refill. Is there something? Oh, no, there's nothing. What's this? We need to leave, Just. We need to actually leave. Drawing by someone? Sin dun? Wala naman ah. We really need to leave. Just run. Oh my god, I see two. I'm just gonna keep running. There's this other way. Over here, Jess. Oh. There's this other way. Oh, another cave. And I'm scared. Oh. Oh, what's that? A note. A cave ritual. A note written with blood. Grandmother, grandfather, I call upon you. One by one, they became sacrificed for you. Ah! I never finished reading. Jess, you died. Now we're definitely looking for something. Oh my god, there's double the trouble. Double the trouble, double the banshee.
Pagkila ako nag-respawn.
Ha?
Pagkila ako nag-respawn.
Okay. I'm just running for my life. Hello? Leave. Whoa, I never... Oh my god. Balik ya, Jess. I repeat, balik ya. Just keep going, Jess. Just keep going. Ah! I died. Where am I? Ha, mayad lang iyak ito. Okay. Jess, abang wa pa. I-check mo anay doon. Ay, wait. Run, Jess. Check anay doon notes. To objective. Ah, wala pa rin. I'm here, Jess. I'm here. Diretso lang. Ay, wait. Di ko pa na-finish yung notes. Where was it? Ah, they're so only for you. I've waited for 20 years. Arise, I've followed your orders. Give me eternal life like yours. I think we're looking for something. Yeah?
Ano magayo dito?
Ano purpose iya? Okay, just going to leave. This is useless. This is useless. Oh, let's go. Oh, another one. Oh my god, just double the trouble. Double the trouble, double the debts. Ah, Jess, you're gonna die. Okay, just
Grabe, sikat mo eh.
refill. Okay, what do we do next? Find your wife in the forest and save her. Si imawa man ako takita. Do we have to go back? God. Let's go back. Wala tayong matches. Saan tayo pupunta? Yes. Yan yung, pabalik. Yung diretso di ka na water. I-check natin basi may agyan una. Dito ako mag-refilled water. Bala ka mo. Ano ba? I feel like parang may una patabasing nga nga bahay nga wala nagto. Double the trouble. Double the everything. Ilibot tabi naton. Jess? You're gone again. Ako ay lilibot. Oh my gosh, Jess, may way pati iya. May secret way. Oh my god. Where ka, Jess? Dito, Jess, may secret way iya. Si bawang plot of land. May bawang. Oo, at may refill. Thank God. Need na to ng matches, I repeat. Need natin ng matches. Importante na, I think. Because, di man kita pwede mag-agi. I think may secret way. Or need na to ng planks. Jess, I feel like we need planks. Maghanap, Jess, libot-libot basi may mga planks nga wata natin nakita. I think sa the start. Ako ililibot lang dito. Oh, never mind, may nakita ko, Jess. Yan. You should bring pottery? Ano daw? You should bring pottery back to Uncle Hamza's. Oh my god. Pabalik na naman tayo, Jess. I feel like playing game nga palik-balik ta. Gabalik man kuno kita. Yung atong balik man kita sa atong bahay nga to. Again tagaliya. Dito just balik man kita from the start. Go away, monster. Habang ito pagkita mag-refill, ano ako? Water, water ako. From the start.
Kasama na naran mo.
Ay, dasig ta nga isang da mag-respawn.
Dali,
As in, balik tayo from the start. I feel like just kaya natin itong tapusin. Rhyme Story 2, I feel like kaya natin itong tapusin.
like this.
Hello, si, ano to? Uncle Hamaawaka? I forgot your name, sir. Ay mo.
Ano, kailangan ka na.
Sabi ko no, i-bring ko no? I-bring ko no? I-bring si Putrik. Oh my god. Ano pa takot na gets? Sindo ba nga to Jesay? Nga tong ha, ano na ton? Yung parang splash na tot water. Diretso lang hanapin mo, Jess. What iya? Here, monster, here. Here. Ayaw niya sa akin, ay ta. I'm like running for my life. I feel like we need to bring someone. Okay. Para si ano? Ma'am? Wake up, ma'am. What do you need? Do you want me to spray you, splash you with recite? Oh my god. Jess, may tubig ka, Jess. May water ka. I-recite mo ka na. I-recite. Recite bukod splash. Recite sa pinakidawom. Awa. Awa. Woo! God, kibot lang ako. How do we... I-bring ko, no? God po.
Ulit kayo, sali ako.
Oh, wait lang, patapusin. Kami karong.
Wala doon. Tapos doon. Lobat ako ay.
Lobat coating. Buhay para matapos.
Ako bahala.
Ano, ikaw bahala.
Lang. Sige.
Jess, umanyo man kita. Di ako makabak. I am stuck in this situation. God, wa patagalin nakabanish. Where's the way? Sino ko? Eh,
No?
nabanish ha? Oman?
Ay, si Charles yung sir.
I-check mo ba sa chat?
Katawan din ako.
Di ako makapamantot chat.
Wait lang, sir. Ang lost.
Hinanap ko do bridge, human. Na-check ko.
Baka ma-dead ko.
Uman man kita.
Wait lang sa finish Charles.
I-check man ni si Charles kung gasalig mo or wa.
No, I'm dead.
Oo ko no? I'm lost.
Invite nyo ako, invite.
Yeah.
Gampang.
Yan lang.
So,
Araw.
leave kita, Jess, sa rank game. I don't,
Nakalive na ako.
ay, maliban na ako. Si Charles, manabing anak, may buhay. Ah, God. Yan.
Nane.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Bad timing.
Ano Rokonon? Feel ko taas tig Rokonon na ro.
Invite nyo ako, dali.
Dali.
Magdala.
Si Charles. Charles, blue. Ano yun? Yasin ko ikaw.
Kat hard mode yan. Pero pili ang
Hindi.
game para stick.
Hindi. Malisod. Repeat, malisod.
Waron.
Wapangay na. Ay, naano ta. Hindi, tang Charles. Base lang ah. Agton, iya tapusin natin the story to.
Sen.
Sinkay. Agto sa teleport. Pinuta do teleport. At join rin
Tapos
niya.
anong room?
Me. Hanapa Killas Code 2007.
Yun.
Okay? My God, man, Charles.